Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World, where creativity begins, y'all. This is a creation that I made for my own personal budget system. And I created this because I really wanted to get my finances in order. So this system really helps me with that. I basically wanted to create a system that works for me and help me with being in control of my finances and my spending. And this was one of them that I came up with. And I just, oh my God, guys, I am so in love with this. So glad that I came up with this because it's so beautiful, guys. And it works perfect for me, keeping my, budget and my spending and my finances, as well as paying my bills in order. It's beautiful and it's very sturdy, and it's compact with a lot of stuff. Look at that, guys. It has a lot of stuff inside of it. It's pretty thick. But anyways, let me go ahead and get to the inside of it so I can show you guys. And this is part of it. Let me put this aside. And let me go ahead and open it up. And it reminds me of course, the Traveler's Notebook. So it's just a bigger version. So when you open it up, guys, I love it. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the inside already. So let me put this over here so you guys can see. And then you open it up again, and there's the whole thing is just compact with goodies inside of here, guys. Let me go ahead and start with this end first, okay? So this here, this is where I put all of course, my credit card. I put a credit card holder here to put my credit card here. I don't have much credit card because I'm trying to work on my credit. So I made 2 credit card holder here that goes here. And then this here specifically I made for my license. But I put of course, I kept my business cards in there for, protection of identity as well as personal information I wanted to protect. So I just placed my business cards here. But there is exactly where my license is going to go. And in the pouch here, I actually this is where I'm going to add my receipts, all my receipts. And then also I have a notepad that goes right here, just in case I want to jot information, notes, or calculate some stuff. So, and that's convenient. So, and that's where that goes. So that's that pocket right there. And then I put a pen here. After that, there's another pocket right here. Here I can store, and I Velcro to close it up so nothing will fall out of it. It's secure in there. There's 2 pockets where I can put one can fit my cell phone inside of there, guys. And then the other one fits in my stickers, where I can be able to, have fun with that, at least, put stickers and, be more organized and make it look more prettier. So that goes in there. I have another pocket here that I'm going to store things in as well. So that's that. I added 2 notebooks. 2 notebooks. One for managing my bills and calculating my expenses, which is this one right here. And then I have another one where I wanted to just to add fun to it, just to add creative things to it, stickers and a few quotes and affirmations that will help encourage me to save and learn to have control over this spending of mine. So that's what I made those 2 for, everything, because budgeting to me, it's not fun. I know I can't say this for everyone, but budgeting to me is not fun. So but with this system here that I created, it changed the whole game for me. So I love it, and it's making me want to get up on my finances and everything. And then when you go over here, I put a few more pockets here, which will house my my finances, like my money. I put one pocket here, and I did another pocket here, and then I did another pocket here. Inside of here is another pocket within another pocket, because this pocket here holds and carries another pocket, so I can be able to put my money in there as well, where I can house my money and be able to, and like I said, I'm going to get some tags and target specifically these bills and the savings and payments. So, and that's that with that, which I love, guys. And that goes in there. Love the way it turned out. And plus I have extra room in this pocket here where I can store money inside of to pay bills. So that's that for that. And I Velcro it so it can stay in place. I don't want to lose my money, so I make sure I secure it and put a Velcro closure there. And that's it for that. Last but not least, I have this little mini pocket holder that I made specifically for my stickers that goes in here, guys. So Velcro, once again, it's Velcro again. It looks, and I think it's beautiful. And then inside of it stores all of my stickers and everything that I'm going to use specifically for my budget system. And I love it. It turned out to be awesome, guys. I'm just so excited about this. I can't wait to use this system. And I just wanted to share with you all. Please comment below and let me know what you all think about my new system that I came up with, my new budget system. And if you have a system in place already, I would love to hear about it. And hopefully this creation stirs up some kind of idea for your new system or your system that's already in place. And yeah, I just want to share with you all. That's it, guys. Thank you all so much once again for watching. I will be back in another 2 more weeks with another video. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And yes, you will see me in another 2 weeks, guys. All right, my YouTubers, have a great one. Bye-bye.
Get